Warning: quitting or cutting down on alcohol can be very dangerous. If you think you have a problem, please talk to your doctor.
Alcohol! Not cool! Oh yeah! Take control! Yeah! Sobriety! That's cool! Oh! Getting sober! Oh yeah! Getting sober! Getting sober! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Is this intro really appropriate for a serious slang? Anyway, this slang is called getting sober.
Again, I slept really badly. I was up for ages, just my mind going over things, which is probably good, because obviously when you drink too much, you just go to sleep really quickly and don't get to process things. So I'm guessing it's my mind sort of catching up with stuff. But yeah, it took me ages to get to sleep. But it's the next day and I got up about half an hour earlier again.
Oh yeah, even though I was making like little fun videos, the 4 beers really did not get me drunk at all, because my tolerance is too high. So I'm going to do 4 again today, and I think I'll do 3, 2, maybe just 1. We'll see how it goes. Milk in first, I don't care, or after, I don't care.
Oh, blood, that mugs his coffee. You could pee in it.
And now I'm going to go for a longer run with Maddie than yesterday. About to go! I'm pushed for time. Here comes another sexy bit, because I'm going to do a push-up session again. Okay, I was just uploading some more videos, and I'm going to pop to the shops to get more beer because I've run out. Okay, so I got those, which weigh a ton. And that should be the last time for a while I buy this many beers, so that's good. Save some money. Okay, so all of this here is what I've got to clean out to make room for a green screen studio area. I was trying to get some done today, but it's going to take ages. I need to eat first, because damn, I'm hungry. I mean, gosh darn, I'm hungry. So I've got eggs again. I screwed that one up a bit. Okay, I've eaten food, and I'm going to go try and start cleaning that mess up. Okay, that was about 45 minutes and got quite a bit done. And I'm gonna go for another run. Okay, so I'm back from my run and I just had a bath. Oh yeah, I just meditated. I've been meditating every day, but I forget to say. I meditated for about 15 minutes just before I start drinking. God damn it, why did I do that? Great, now I've got egg all over the beer. Okay, I cleaned the beers. Oh, that's scalding. Am I still wearing this? I think I've earned this one. Tastes better when you earned it.
M'lady.
That smells really nice, actually. I don't know why, but after a few beers, this turns into a cooking show. I made a lot of sauce. This is going to be really spicy. Yeah, it's spicy food. I don't know if you can see me sweating, but yeah, that was pretty spicy. Okay, so it's the end of day 4, so my second day on 4 beers. And then tomorrow is going to be 3, and that's a bit of a turning point, and I'll explain why tomorrow. Okay, night night.
I'm so bloody tired. What is it, day 5 now? Yeah, day 5. Went down to 3 beers. Okay, let's try to get more things done then. Yeah.
Okay, so I didn't actually sleep too bad last night. Can't remember being up for too long, so no, that's a positive. But we are a bit concerned about getting to the harder stage now. But we'll see. Should keep on keeping busy. Okay, I'm gonna take Maddie for another run, and it's gonna be really cold, but sometimes being cold is good, I guess. Wow, dude, wow. Whoa. Okay, Matty doesn't want to come, so I'm gonna take Teddy. Come on. It's really pretty, to be honest. I should live long here. I've not been here in years, I don't think. That's my old house. Okay, so I was talking about 3 beers last night. I think that 3 beers is the least amount I've drunk a day in about 2 years. Yeah, almost exactly 2 years, like 2 years and 2 weeks, which is crazy to think about. So that's why 3 beers is a bit of a stepping stone. And the main sort of concern is if you're going to have that escapism, then you're going to fill up with something else. And I can't just keep filling up with running. I need more to my life than just running. So I mean, I'll find something, but that's just the sort of the stress of everything, is how to, I guess, fill up, sort of put an adventure where it belongs in my life, instead of just drinking too much. I've got stuff going on, but I don't think I have enough stuff going on. So yeah, honesty. Oh yeah, and I've mentioned this before. I'm definitely noticing, as I am slowly weaning my way off, that my mind is starting to have to deal with things again. Shut up, cars. Which is good. So I'm just actually thinking about things rather than putting them into the back of my mind. But if anybody else wants to cut down on drinking, that will be a factor, I imagine. Well, that's done. Okay, gonna do some... I'm gonna tidy my room and do some washing. Okay, you won't see me for a bit now because I've got to get the videos off my phone and it takes forever. It takes so long, it takes like 2-3 hours getting all these videos onto my computer through WhatsApp. It's so fun as well. I've got a bit of banana on my face. That took 2.5 hours getting about 150 videos off my phone. And I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna try to do some more cleaning in the basement. Bacon sandwich. Okay, I ate that quickly and now I'm going to get some cleaning done as fast as I can. Okay, here we go. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Okay, so that's that cleaning done. I took the tree out. I have to admit, I'm feeling more... I slept better. I've been a bit stressed all this time, and a bit cranky sometimes. I think today is the most cranky I've felt. Well, I don't know. But yeah, I definitely notice I'm feeling more cranky. But that will pass, I'm sure. And now, time to go for a run. Most of this vlog is going to be me running. Yay! Everybody's having a great time all the time.
Oliver went on his run.
Okay, the bath was successful.
Here we go again on our little adventure. Will there be eggs for no reason?
No guys, no, this is an animal. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. God loves those who loves his creature. Thank you.
Why did you do this?
Oh, hot.
It's okay.
Okay, so it's, well, the first day on 3 beers. I don't feel particularly tired going to sleep, but I do feel more healthy, like more sort of fresh feeling. I feel better than I thought I'd feel, but I don't feel very tired, so let's just see how it goes.
End of part 2.